In a small border town called Wli, located in the Volta Region of Ghana, at the Ghanaian-Togo border, about 5 hours journey from Accra, going through so many beautiful towns and villages to what is known as the mountain paradise of Ghana. That is, you will find the highest waterfall in all of West Africa and the third highest waterfall in the whole world. Come along on the hiking journey to one of the highest mountains in the Volta region and the beautiful Wli Waterfalls with the ever bubbly Stella Shanelly and my gorgeous Kenyan babe Onjiro and my humble self. This is an exciting vlog. I had a lot of fun creating this and I hope you enjoy. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're new on the channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you for coming along. Let's go on an adventure of a lifetime. Welcome back, welcome to today's video. So already we're like about heading out on the hiking trail now. I'm excited. Hey, we're heading to breakfast and there we go. I'm not wearing makeup, so today we're wearing glasses. But yeah, good morning. We're still in Volta region, literally. Say hi to the camera. Oh my goodness, so we're doing because I hate this.
That's why when I travel.
This is the Wli Heights Hotel where we are spending the entire weekend. I have a tour filmed on my channel already, so go check that out. And let's go! So we are heading to the trail now. I'm the last one. Stella is like, let's go, let's go, let's go. I think we're doing yesterday I was tired, so there was no vibe. Today, the vibe queen. Yes.
We are going hiking together.
Yes.
Super excited!
Yeah.
This is my favorite region. Come, let's go.
Of course, because it's your region. I mean, it's amazing. Anytime I have time, I go to the beach. Like, I love the beach.
That's a long one.
Within 4 hours, 5 hours over. With the swimming and the taking pictures.
5 hours. Now, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So we got to where we have to pay. It cost about 90 cedis for Ghanaians and 150 cedis for foreigners to go to the Upper Falls. We paid and got a tour guide and off we go because today we are visiting the Upper Falls. Upper Falls, climbing mountains towards the Togo border.
Really?
His name is Wisdom.
I have 3 names.
Yeah, what are the 3 names?
My name is Wisdom. That's
Yes.
one. Yeah. And they call me Ishmael again.
Ishmael.
Yeah. My nickname, my popular one, Mike.
Wait, will you be able to hike in your sandals?
I think he's used to the trail.
I'm doing this for 9 years.
Oh,
Whoa.
9 years? That's a long time.
Oh my God. So
I don't work here alone. I work with so many top companies in Ghana.
okay.
And I organize stuff by myself as well.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm fully rounded.
I hate crawling. See millipede.
Can you feel like it's getting cold already?
I told yes now.
So please, let's do short breaking before we set off.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, first of all, you know my name. So we're walking 40-45 minutes to the lower falls. 40-45 minutes to the lower falls. Okay. And we're crossing 9 bridges on the way. And the Wli Falls is the highest waterfalls in West Africa. And we are the, if we talk about the height, we are the 3rd highest waterfalls in the world. If we talk about the big or the size of it, we are the 4th biggest waterfalls in the world. We have the 1st highest waterfalls in the world. It is in Venezuela, called Angel Falls. Then we have the Victoria Falls, Victoria Waterfall. Then we have region in Zimbabwe and Zambia. If we talk about the biggest one, we are the 3rd. We are the 4th because we have the Niagara Falls between America and Canada. Very big, very wide.
Right, yeah.
Wow. Then we have the, again, we go to the Angel Waterfalls and come to the Victoria Waterfalls. So if you talk about the height, we're the 3rd. If you talk about the size of, then we are the 4th in the world. And the height of the lower falls is 143 meters. Not above the sea level because we are already at the top. If you watch the Ghana map or you study Ghana map very well, it starts from here all the way from the north down to the coast. So we are already at the top. Yeah. And both waterfalls is having a swimming pool which you can swim inside. And at the lower falls we have the fruit bat, 1,000+ of them hanging on the rocks over there. A lot over there. And then when you go into the upper falls, it's hiking, and I'm going to sweat a lot like pregnant fish. I always say this. Yeah. So when you go into the upper falls, you'll be taking a lot of pictures as we go. Yeah, as we go, as you guys start over here already.
Okay.
A lot of pictures like Japanese on the way, and you'll be sweating a lot, and you'll be having a break just to have a picture, have to have water break, blah blah blah, just on your way to get to the upper falls. And the upper falls also is having a pool which you can swim inside as well you wish. And the height of the both waterfalls is 800 to 900 meters, not above the sea level. Yeah. And the upper falls is very cold than the lower part. So people say they are, or people call it the Palace of Queen Elizabeth. Yeah. Very, very cool.
Thank you.
That's all.
So we're going now.
Yeah.
We're heading now. We're about to cross 7 seas and bridges.
Nice.
Oh, 9 seas. Okay. So
9 bridges.
9 bridges. I'm just saying rivers. That's why I'm saying seas. They don't need to know it's just river. It's seas. We're crossing 9 seas and bridges, guys. Yeah. So we're starting very early. It's very early in the day. It's about 7. Yeah, and our tour guide literally I just walked out to it. So let's go. Hiking.
Look at him. He's
We're at the second bridge now and the second river. We're crossing 9, so I think we'll have 7 to go. Oh, I'm breathless already, but I'm still excited. This was one of the most exciting activities I've ever done, and at this point I was still so pumped. I was super pumped at this point, and bet somewhere down the journey I literally almost lost my life. I did, guys. Come over, guys. I'm still very excited. Let's go. Oh. Wait, what are we using those things for?
To walk.
To walk?
yeah.
Really? For like handicap?
Yeah.
So there's like 2 routes to the top of the fall. So we opted for the shorter one because for me I don't do physical work. But yeah, we're going. I'm excited, really excited. Like I love being out.
Yeah. You know turmeric.
Turmeric.
Hey.
Oh,
Really?
I've never seen it before. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Amazing. Fresh turmeric.
I'm taking this.
I'll
one.
need it.
Okay.
I'll put all of them. We'll pack it if we're coming back.
And then
So they grow like nobody planted them. White
no,
turmeric.
this is someone from.
Okay, this is someone's farm.
I know the owner, that's why I can touch it.
Okay.
Did you hear him? He knows the owner. That's why he can. In the Volta region, you can't touch.
What's not yours?
Not yours.
Yes.
Share. Very dangerous.
There is this.
Again, say that again.
This is a pepper. Very
Yes.
hot.
Oh, we have this in Kenya.
Very,
We
very,
call
very.
it tear gas.
This is pepper. This is a young one.
Very hot.
It's not young, go. This is ripe already.
It's not ripe.
And then this one is not planted by anybody.
Grow
by the
wide.
birds,
Okay.
by animals. Yeah. Very. Hey,
Very spicy.
don't joke. Don't joke.
So they gave us walking stick. You know I'm behind. I'm the last person because my heart legit almost gave out, guys. My heart almost stopped here from all the adrenaline rush and the fact that I've not done anything as strenuous as this for a very long time. So I had to take a quick stop. I had to take a little break and my week is off, guys. Like, really, it's more difficult than I had planned. I was breathing. It was really a bit scary for me. I was scared for a minute, so I had to yank my week off. And Wisdom, who is this amazing tall guy, was kind enough to help me carry my bag that had our water and our stuff. And when I cannot carry last, but I carry last as today like this. Anyway, we are still going.
Oh, but I just cannot carry last. It's funny.
I told her to not draw, so let's see how it goes.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ignore my dirty bomb.
That is what I'm showing them.
No, I'm not telling them, not you. So ignore my dirty bomb.
Guys, I will fall. I can't.
Then the rest are not difficult again.
Okay.
Stella.
About some
Guess
10
what?
minutes
We
walk
didn't
are not
record.
difficult. Then from here it's difficult to get to the top border. But the rest about 10 minutes walk is not difficult. Then from there, if you still have the capacity,
No,
then you start
we'll stand there. We'll stop there.
There's this insect trying to bite.
You just get a Nigerian wife today. Yes. Niger, I've given myself out to a Ghanaian so they can carry me to the mountain top. Halfway to our stop point and the views was turning out to be worth the whole hike and was almost losing my life, guys. Like, it was so gorgeous. You should definitely visit this place and ask for Wisdom. He's the best you can get. He was so nice to watch. So like, we've known each other for a very long time and I legit almost married this guy. Yes, so he can carry me to the mountain top. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I'm slowing you guys down, right? I'm slowing them down, but he just said I'm trying. Tell them I'm trying. Yeah. I'm doing my first time. I've not done this before, this whole hiking thing. Whew. I'm in love, guys. I'll move to Volta Region. I plan on moving to Volta Region. Just that maybe they will bring the waterfall down to me there. I cannot do it every day. So guys, guess who's taking over the tour? Me. I'm the one leading. See them, see the Ghanaian and the Kenya. They are behind. I'm shading you guys at all. We never carry last. When we started, I was really tired, but now I am ginger like.
It just took a moment, like you see, your body does that. It plays games on you. It tries to kill you so that you stop.
Yeah, I was just trying to.
So if we are not stopping, it's like okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
And I'm glad you came.
Yeah, I'm even glad I did. Yeah. Yesterday I was like, oh, stay behind. But yeah, see, amazing. Oh my god. Guys, it's the coolest thing ever. So I went in Togo. I was still in Ghana. Okay. I was thinking we were in Togo already. So I would tell people I went to 2 countries in a day. I went to Togo. About a couple of minutes down and we are almost at the top and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. If I look back, I'm like, oh, we're coming from that place. It's so beautiful. It was so nice. Look at the gorgeous views behind me. Just take a look at it, guys. Totally breathtaking. At this point, my t-shirt was off as I was sweating a lot. Like it was almost soaked. I was sweating, so I had to yank it off. Yeah, but it was still so exciting.
I can hear it vibrating.
Finally, guys, we arrived! Yay! We finally arrived at the mountain top. It was amazing, gorgeous. Like I'm not even doing it enough justice. So while Stella was setting up her drone to give you guys the area view of the gorgeous waterfalls in the mountains, Ondiro and I set up for a mountain tour photo shoot session. Follow me on my IG at vanessa.bcg. I have it on the screen to see the amazing shots we took and a lot of amazing reels also. So you should definitely follow me on there and check that out. And yeah, so we did that. Stella flew the drone a bit so we can get the view of the waterfalls from here. And yeah. So there are 2 upper falls. There's where we are now, and then there's another upper falls. That one will take additional 2 hours to get to. So it was getting late and we need to get back down so we can go to the lower falls, because that's the most gorgeous view and we wanted to visit the lower falls before we leave. So we had to head back down to the lower fall. Yeah, it was really an exciting journey. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed coming along on this amazing adventure that we've been on. I really enjoy taking you guys on my journeys with me and getting to show you the amazing things you can do here in Ghana. Ghana is one blessed country. Like Mother Nature really bless this country. So if you're around, if you are visiting or you live in Ghana and you will not be going out of the cities, you should definitely try and go out of the city to go to the smaller towns and experience life here, and you see something very beautiful. Like this was so amazing. I was legit speechless for a while. But yeah, we're heading back to the lower falls now. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and I'll see you guys at the lower falls. See the gorgeous waterfall behind me. Gorgeous. We're heading back down now and I'm pumped. Yes. At all. I'm always telling you that. You think I was joking? Sorry. And going back down, I was so hyper, so pumped, because at this point I was really lively. Like, let's go. I wanted to go so I can change to my bikini and have a dip of the gorgeous and take some amazing shop also. I can't swim, but I can blow water, so that's what we're going to do. I'm really excited. Let's go. It's gorgeous out here. Here we're with nature. We're heading back down now. We are going to the waterfall. I'm excited. I can't swim, but I'm ready to like get my sexy on, you know. But let's go.
Our shower season.
I'm ready to get.
Happy you came.
I'll block my brothers.
Who told you they want to be your brothers?
No, I think I'm my own
Your
brother.
nips are popping. They're called nips. Even mine are popping.
No, mine, right? I have to.
I didn't get to take more than.
Hey!
Your auntie.
I thought you forgot about this.
I think I'm the lucky one today with the ant issue. Oh. I think you kept it inside.
Okay.
But yeah, but check because you know.
Because I don't have to.
I'm not climbing back here again.
Yeah. Found them. Are you okay? I found my glasses.
I'll find a. Let's focus. Ondero,
Yes,
are you ready for our next trip?
I am.
I think if you're having so much fun now, you are like, I have to get out
I'm
more.
excited that people, I am getting to rediscover myself, and I feel like people will also see a very different side of me, which is fun.
They'll see your fun side more
Yes,
now when you get outside of Accra.
Yeah.
So far, she's loving the Volta region.
Yes.
She's even willing to move here.
I am.
And I'll be coming to visit like every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
And I'll go back. But we've had a lot of fun. So we're descending now. I'll check on you guys later. But see the views.
Can I film for you while you're descending?
I saw we used to make our moi bean cake and our gidi. This one, it looks like it's turmeric, but it's not. So we're back with what done with the mountain top hiking, and then we are now on the trail to the waterfall now. hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe also if you've not. And yeah, so this is the waterfall. I'm going. I'm pumped.